Cheesecake, happy birthday to you.
Dubai was
Oh snap, it's KoKo.
What's up guys? So as you can guess, we're just at Miracle Gardens right now. I dropped off the girls in the beginning because I didn't want them to walk. I parked really far away. My phone is on like 10%, so I don't know how much vlogging I can do with this phone. I might have to transfer over to an iPhone X, which is iPhone 10 basically, so the quality might be a bit different. I'm sorry about that, alright? So I'll see you in there anyway. Peace, blessings, skeet skeet. Just had to switch to the iPhone X. If you guys want to come, it's like 45 dirhams. Totally worth it. I would recommend even coming the time we came, coming at like just before it's sunset. You can get a beautiful sunset, get some nice photos. As you can probably see from my thumbnail from before, it's a beautiful sunset here.
Also, it lights up.
Emirates. And we're gonna stay, we're gonna chill because Sam, she hurt her knee when she was quad biking in the June bashing, so we're gonna sit down, chill for the sun to go down, probably have some drinks, and then let's see it at night. So actually that's gonna be fun. I was like, what should I video? I've done it all already now, oh my god. But yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do it at night, show you guys at night how it is, alright guys? Peace! Boom! So this is what it looks like at night. It's really bright here, as you can see. Like, it's all floodlights, like football lights. So it looks kind of the same except for like small bits that are lit up nicely. I'm just heading over now. There's performance. The girls are just watching some dance performance. So yeah, so there's even a dance show if you guys stay until 6:30. That's what you can watch over there.
Like a cake with it, he was just great with it. Now he goes to
Boom! What's up guys? Just stopped for some tea. That does not taste nice. That does not taste like curry. I think it's because it's like been freshly made and you want it to kind of like brew a little. The more it's brewed, the better. But this is the place to come. I'm not sure if you can see it. The place is called Gantoot. It's like halfway between Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Like you can get some nice good food here. There's a baqala here. I want to know guys, what do you think of this lens? Is it clear? Is it good? Like, give me some feedback, because if it's useless, I'm not going to use it, because from now on I need to make my YouTube videos amazing. You know, like you guys have been to me, by the way. I'm getting nearly 100 likes in one of the videos. Blessed, always blessed. That's why guys, you should follow my Instagram as well, which is over here. Yes, yeah. Hey. Boo! Hey, let go. Everyone's here, everyone's in the car. Let's do this. Can you guess where we are? Cheesecake Factory, yep, that's right. We're just here, we're gonna eat some yummy food. I'm so hungry, I'm like actually starving right now. But there's like only like a 15-minute, 10-minute queue and then we're next. We have a buzzer thingy. So yeah, once this vibrates and lights up, that's when it's our turn. You don't understand how hungry. And I like Cheesecake Factory because they give you nice big portions, and that's what I like about it. So let's see what Hannah's gonna order. Do you know what you're gonna order, Hannah?
Probably garlic pasta.
Garlic pasta?
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? I was fancying a pasta as well because I haven't had it for a while. Just thinking about it is making me hungry. So I'm gonna put the camera away. Peace, blessings, bye. We've been sitting at the table for 6 for some reason. Hello, hi, kumusta ka, mabuti?
Hi there, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
So welcome to the Cheesecake Factory.
Thank you.
Going to add some delicious parmesan cheese on your pasta, delicious pasta, yes?
Thank you very much.
Very good. Please,
I'll tell you when to stop.
Please, I'm tired. Just let me.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Okay. Just for you. That's enough. Yo. That is cheese, mate. Now I call this 5 cheese.
Happy birthday from Cheesecake. Happy birthday to you.
Well, surprise Sam. Yeah, so it was Sam's birthday like 2 days ago, but we really wanted to come to Cheesecake, so we did it. And my heart, I was nervous, mate. I was like, which side is it coming from? And then like the video was like not ready. I was like, no, it's not ready. I'll put it there.
Like a friggin' military operation.
Yo, you don't understand. And then her spelling as well. I was like, is it Sam? Is it S-A-M just normal? No, usual spot back home, just parked up. Got cheesecake leftovers, you know, that's what I love about Cheesecake Factory is when you go there, you always have like food left over because they give you like massive portions. Anyway, I'm gonna say goodnight because it's proper late here and I need to go to sleep. KoKo Tour today was pretty lit.
Dubai was
Miracle Gardens, Cheesecake Factory, Yas Mall, the souk shopping, which now I know where to go Abaya shopping. I love the new place. And the gold souk. The gold souk's always been there, so I'm new on that. Anyway, gonna go to bed. Let me know what you guys think about this new thing that I got. Subscribe there, I like it. It's like subscribe there, ding. Watch this previous video over there, ding. And yeah, I'm gonna say goodnight, guys. Peace, blessings, skeet skeet.